We have so many clubs here on campus that I feel like it's really hard to keep track of them all. That's why the social media team came up with a club test, a show where every episode we try out a new club, explore what they do, who they are, and what you can do if you join them. It's basically a show where I become your guinea pig in the land of extracurriculars. This week we're talking about the IBCM, or the Investment Banking and Capital Market Society. They're one of the biggest communities in campus that focus on finance, banking, and consulting. They say that this club is the best place to learn about personal finance, so I guess we're here to find out. So who are you?
My name is Hauke. I'm a second year IBA major here at Jacobs University, and currently I'm involved with plenty of projects here at Jacobs.
Can you give me like a brief description of your club?
Sure. Jacobs Investment Banking and Capital Market Society is one of the largest communities here on campus. We have approximately 50 members who are very ambitious and passionate about all the topics in business and finance in general. So we work on several projects that cover all the topics, starting from management consulting over financial markets in general, in event management, and even human resources.
So for me, for example, for somebody that's not that really experienced or that has really delved into like the financial world, how can I benefit from this?
As we have several different initiatives within our club and different projects, you can definitely benefit in whatever way you want in the business world. So let's say you're interested in how to invest your own money. Then one of the projects that is dealing with financial markets and investments will definitely benefit you, and you'll learn about how to pick the correct stock for you, for your personal ambitions, how to do a valuation model on that certain stock, and later on maybe even invest into it.
Okay, that's pretty cool. You hear a lot of things on the internet like cryptocurrency, like meme stocks and whatnot. And so for somebody that wants to maybe delve into that or like want to know more about how that works, is your club the right place for that, or how do you address those?
Definitely it's a good place to exchange thoughts on these certain topics. So kinda, yes, but on the other hand side, we definitely focus on how to evaluate stocks, how to implement certain strategies. On the other hand side, then also into management consulting. So we do not focus our projects on day trading or meme stocks or high-risk gambling trades here. So this is definitely not the purpose and the main focus of our initiative.
What's happening today, and what have you guys been doing all week?
So this whole week is taking place our Insights Week for all the interested students. They signed up and occasionally just showed up for certain events. Started off on Monday this week with a general introduction into our whole society, the Investment Banking and Capital Market Society here on campus. So we gave them a brief introduction about who we are, what are our ambitions, what do we offer interested students, and what can everyone here benefit from. The next day we started with an introduction to financial markets in general, following by an introduction to investment banking. On Thursday, we had a workshop about management consulting, and today, the final event of the whole week, is about financial securities. So what exactly is a stock? How does it work? What is a bond? What is a fund or an ETF? And this is roughly an hour today that we're going to talk about.
Okay, perfect. So I guess we're going to take part in it today.
When we talk about outperforming, it always includes the costs.
So, afterthought. I had a great time in the event. For an event about finance, investments, and so on, it's actually really fun and very interactive. I think if you come here with a blank slate or not knowing anything, you'd have way more fun than you think you would. Overall, the IBCM Society is a great place to learn about personal finance, stocks, and investing. The best thing I noticed about this club is that they take abstract concepts that you hear in the news or in the papers, like index funds, assets, and securities, and they explain it in a very tangible, understandable way that, again, if you're like me and had no experience before, that you'll easily understand and start interacting with the content. The organizers are really good at what they do. They understand their concepts well, and they're great speakers. The session wasn't just a one-way lecture. I think it was more like a conversation, and it was very interactive. Coming into it, I thought it was going to be a little more day trading, cryptocurrency, let's make money really fast kind of thing, but that wasn't really the case. I think it was more educational, and the goal is to give you the tools and the knowledge you need to understand the financial markets and maybe how you can benefit from it in the long term. I think it was really great. I really had fun, and I think you will too. I'd totally give it a 5 out of 5 Dogecoins.